This is Sarah from Aura Beauty, and I am here to do something super duper special. I am doing a huge makeup giveaway, and it's just in time for back to school, so I'm going to go over the products that will be in the giveaway. Details are to enter and to win. So let's go over each item. This is actually mine because I have the same exact one that I'll be giving to one of you. In the giveaway, I have a makeup bag by Yumi Kim for you guys. It's in this beautiful purple floral shade, and I have the same exact one. I did get an extra one from my mom, but she had already bought one. And it's called the Jet Setter Makeup Bag. So it comes like this, and it's Yumi Kim, Y-U-M-I-K-I-M, and I'll link it down below. And it comes two tiered. So the top portion is where you hold your makeup brushes, and it has like this little nice compartment here. And then at the bottom, it's like super deep. I put a lot of makeup in this. It retails for $58. And I think that you guys, whoever wins will definitely enjoy this. So I did put in a few samples that I had gotten from, Sephora. So I just put them in here. One's a Buxom one, and the other one's a Cover FX foundation. I purchased all this stuff myself. Every single item I purchased, it was not given to me. This is Too Faced It Is My Life, so you get this really good Better Than Sex mascara, which I love. Mascara melt off, so it's like it removes it. Matte lipstick, bronzer, and a facial primer. I thought this was a really cute kit. It was 25 bucks. I got points on it. So next, I have the Physicians Formula Bronze Booster. This is like a beautiful like goldy sheen that you put on top of your bronzer, and it makes you look like you're on a Fiji vacation. Then I have in here a Wet n Wild Gel Lip Liner. I think I put one of these in my last giveaway. In one of my favorite shades, Bear to Comment. It's like a super brownie nude. Put a Maybelline Baby Lips in here. I thought it was like a cute lip balm. A Wet n Wild Mega Last Liquid Catsuit, and I put pink really hard. So it's like a nude pink. Not put any complexion products in this giveaway because I didn't want, last time I had an issue, and then, because I want everybody to feel included. So last time, I put in a foundation and a concealer, so I felt like you can't really give the same foundation to everyone. So I wanted to keep everything not foundation or concealer related. This is them Wet n Wild Renegade Lash. Next, I put in here, oh, this is great. The Ohava Mineral Hand Cream. This stuff is awesome. I love it. Maybelline Fit Me Blush. This is like a floral blush. This one's a peach blush. Then I put a Wet n Wild Natural Finish setting spray in here for you guys, and a CoverGirl highlighter, and a quad eyeshadow, very neutral eyeshadow palette from Wet n Wild. And then last thing is the Tula Dual Phase Reviving Pads. I love these. I just put one in here because somebody's going to love that. So yeah, guys, that's it for the giveaway. This is, I kind of tallied it up. It was like $170 worth of product. Thank you guys. So this is just like small thank you for, you guys watching my stuff and, supporting me and liking my videos and watching my videos, and I really, really appreciate it. I love all the comments. I love, any critiques that I may get, and I'm really enjoying myself. So this is a big thank you to you guys. This is actually for a 500 subscriber giveaway, but we went from just below 500 to 1,000 really fast, like in 24 hours. So I was kind of overwhelmed by it, so I don't know when we're going to do our next giveaway. Comment down below what you guys think. Okay, so the details of this giveaway is that there are rules, right? So you do have to be subscribed to my channel. You have to be following me on Instagram. You have to go over to Aura Beauty's Facebook page and like the Facebook page. Down below your Facebook, like your name for Facebook, or a link for you for Facebook, so that I can make sure that you did like our page, share this YouTube video on your Facebook. Then you'll get an extra entry. So that's all that I have for you guys. I'm super overwhelmed, super grateful, and this is just a small thank you for everything. So I will see you guys in the next video. See you guys next time.